Hi and welcome to our Linux tutorial. In this video, we'll talk about file editors in Linux. In the Linux world, text editors play a crucial role in manipulating configuration files, writing scripts, and general text editing within the command line environment. Two popular choices for text editing are Nano and Vim. Nano Editor. Nano is a user-friendly, straightforward text editor designed for simplicity and ease of use. It's an excellent choice for beginners and those who prefer a more intuitive interface. Here are some key features of Nano Editor. 1. Simple commands. Nano uses common keyboard shortcuts for basic operations like copy, paste, save, and exit. 2. User-friendly. Nano displays a list of available commands at the bottom of the screen, making it easy for users to get started. 3. No learning curve. Nano doesn't have a steep learning curve, making it accessible for users who just want to quickly edit a file. To use Nano, simply type Nano followed by the file name in the terminal. This will open the file in Nano, and you can start editing right away. Vim Editor. Vim, short for Vim Improved, is a powerful and highly configurable text editor that comes with a steeper learning curve but offers advanced features. Here are some highlights. 1. Modal editing. Vim has different modes for navigating and editing, providing efficiency once mastered. 2. Extensive commands. Vim provides a wide range of commands for text manipulation, search and replace, and more. 3. Customization. Vim is highly customizable, allowing users to tailor it to their specific needs. To use Vim, type Vim followed by the file name in the terminal. Vim opens in normal mode, and you can switch to insert mode by pressing I to start typing. To save and exit, you'll need to switch back to normal mode by pressing Escape and then type WQ, write and quit. Choosing between Nano and Vim. Nano, easy to use, perfect for quick edits and beginners. Vim, powerful, efficient, and favored by experienced users for its advanced capabilities. Both editors have their strengths, and the choice ultimately depends on your preference and the complexity of the task at hand. Whether you opt for the simplicity of Nano or the power of Vim, mastering a text editor is an essential skill for any Linux user.